Here are my 3 note cards. As you can see, there's nothing written on the back. My name is Elizabeth Kahn, and this is my informative speech on rainforests. As you can see, I have my 2 audience members here, so let's get started. Did you know that only 6% of the Earth's surface is covered by rainforests, yet 50% of the animal and plant species live there? Rainforest Action Network estimates that within 40 years, the rest of the rainforests will be eliminated. So today I'm going to talk about where rainforests are located, what's located inside the rainforest, who lives there, and last but not least, what's happening in the rainforest. So let's start off with location. If you turn your attention to the screen, the green shaded areas represent where rainforests are located. As you can see, they are located in Central America, South America, Central Africa, Asia, Madagascar, and Australia. National Geographic breaks down the rainforest into 4 layers. The first layer is called emergent. This is the top of the trees of a rainforest. Most of these trees grow flowers, which have nectar and provide food for birds. Birds are really the only animal you're going to see this high up in the rainforest. The second layer is called the upper canopy. This acts as a roof that blocks shade from reaching any of the lower levels. It is flourished with fruits and seeds that provide tons of food, so 90% of the animals in the rainforest live at this level. The third layer is called the understory. The understory is mostly bushes and shrubs and home to most of the insects in the rainforest. Of course, with insects, you're going to have the animals that eat the insects, so you'll find the frogs, lizards, bats, occasional monkeys. The final layer is called the forest floor. Here, no sunlight reaches, so you're going to have very little, if any, plant life living here. You may be wondering, why is it called a rainforest? What's different from a rainforest to every other forest? The answer is they're self-watering. Plants go through transpiration, which is a process that puts all the water into the atmosphere. It is estimated that each canopy in the rainforest produces 200 gallons per day. That's a lot of water. So with all the atmosphere in the air, thick clouds are developed above the emergent level that acts as a lid and keeps all the humidity within the rainforest. Now that you know a little bit about what a rainforest is, what are the benefits? Why should you care? Well, Leslie Taylor, in her research called Plant-Based Drugs and Medicine, proves that there are many benefits for us. National Cancer Institute says that 70% of their anti-cancer drugs are derived from plant-based in the rainforest. Just now, they are finding an HIV disease cure from a tree derived from the rainforest. Many lotions and makeups used daily have plant-based ingredients from the rainforest. And last but not least, 40% of the whole world's oxygen comes from the rainforest. Could you imagine if we lost that? But plants aren't the only thing that you can find in the rainforest. Animals are there as well. As I mentioned, 50% of all plant and animals live in the rainforest. Would you believe that 137 species go extinct per day in the rainforest? Most of this is because of deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting and clearing of rainforests. Rhett Butler, in his What is Deforestation, describes 6 causes for this: logging, mining, oil and gas extraction, cattle ranching, agriculture for cash cropping, local, national, and international factors. If you turn your attention to the screen one more time, this is a projection of deforestation. It starts off in 1950, again with the green area showing the rainforest. This yellow-white is all the deforestation. As you get to 2010 to 2020, again that's just a projection, but you can see the decrease rapidly. These are real-life images of deforestation. On the left side you can see rainforest untouched, and across the road that is being created, all the deforestation. This is another image of deforestation just from another aerial view. Again, you can see the strict line of deforestation. This is the crop version picture. In conclusion, I hope you learned a little bit about the 4 levels of the rainforest and the layers, the overwhelming amount of animals and plants that call this place home, the benefits that we reap from these plants, and what will happen if we don't educate on deforestation. We'll lose all the benefits from these plants. It's crazy to think that these have been around since dinosaurs roamed. It survived the Ice Age, yet we're decreasing rapidly than ever seen before. It's one strong ecosystem that we're killing. Thank you for listening. I hope you're educated. These are my 3 note cards again. Same as before, 3, and nothing on the backs.